Hello, my name is Helen. I'm a celebrity stylist and I also offer concierge services all over the world. I specialize in non-surgical hair replacement and hair extensions for women of all different nationalities. Whether you're a woman suffering from severe hair loss or a woman looking for more volume, length, body to your hair, there's help for you. Now we're going to talk about how to apply glue hair extensions to your bangs. My best suggestion over the years is this is something that I would like you to know before we start, is I think you need a professional for this particular method. Let me tell you why. I'm using black hair here to give an example on a blonde extension. The extension has to at least be, if this is your scalp, at least push down to a certain amount before we get to the pinpoint where the extension can be applied with the glue. Now there's another reason for this. There's about 100 different types of glues that we use for this particular method. And if you're not a professional and you don't know which one to use, you could cause great damage to the scalp, the follicles, or even the existent hair. As you can see here, I'm going to use black hair again on a blonde extension to give you an idea of the way this should be done. Typically, this is a great method, but as you can see here, the extension that I'm about to use and apply would be applied to the front of the hairline very softly, and then there would be a bonding glue applied. Now, the problem with this method right here, in terms of what I can see from the past, is that the bonding glue is used improperly, which makes the scalp clutter and all the pores in the scalp can't breathe. You have to know the right application if you're going to bond, because if it goes onto the existing hair, that's where we can cause hair breakage. So once again, you need to consult with a professional on this particular method. If you'd like to learn more about how my customized hair replacement and hair extension methods can help you, contact me at www.hersecrethairextensions.com.